Y'all look at this chicken, this cornflake chicken. It looks delicious. So let's get into how to make this cornflake chicken. So we've got a box of cornflakes. This is just an 18-ounce box. I just got the cheapest that they had. And I'm probably going to use almost all of these, probably. But we're going to put them into a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to crunch them up in little batches because I do not want to make a mess. We are preheating our oven to 375. Get my rolling pin out, make it a little bit easier. Get them a little finer. And we're just going to dump them into this aluminum pan and repeat it until we've done the bag. All right, and that's pretty close to perfect. It's good enough. All right, so we're dumping all that in there. Now to these cornflakes, we are going to add 2 ranch dressing mixes. Both little packages. And now the second one. And we're also going to add some nature seasoning and a little bit of smoked paprika. And give that a good mix. All right, now that that's mixed up, we're going to set it to the side in another pan. And you can use pie plates, bowls, whatever. I don't want to have to spend that much time washing. Already got enough stuff to wash. I don't want to add to it. I have a 2-pound, 32 ounces of plain Greek yogurt. And we are going to put at least half of this in here. No, we're just going to do the whole thing. So 1 32-ounce container of plain Greek yogurt. Do y'all save these? I do. Somebody will be wanting something. One of the kids will want to take something somewhere or save something for supper. Just pop it in that. And that way I ain't got to worry about getting it back or losing it, or then I can throw it away. Okay, then we're going to take, this is a 24-ounce thing of sour cream. We are going to take probably half. For real, probably half. That's a little more than half. Okay, a little more than half of sour cream. Then we're going to take 1 container of ranch seasoning, and we're going to add it to this. Then we're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, black pepper, and some nature seasoning, and a smidgen of pepper, smoked paprika, not a whole bunch. And then we're going to give this a good mix. She just got that Greek yogurt container out because she wants to try it, because she's never tried it. She thinks she might like it just by itself. Told you. It's good in stuff, but I don't like it by itself. All right, so we're giving this a good mixeroni here. Okay, and now that this is all mixed up, we are going to cut up our chicken. Well, we're going to get it prepared to mixing this stuff. Okay, so I have 4 pretty large chicken breasts, and we are going to trim it up. Y'all know this V in the side of this chicken's got to come out. I can't do it. So we're just going to split these in half to help them cook a little faster. Just like that. We're going to act like y'all didn't see me almost cut my hand. All right. 2 down. Okay, so we have another aluminum pan here, and this is the 4th package of ranch that's inside that little 4-pack I bought. And what we're going to do is we are going to season the chicken with it. Pour it on here. Okay, then we're going to add some nature seasoning.
You gotta have the nature seasoning, don't you?
Pat that down. Maybe I'm going to have to use that again. And then a little smoked paprika to go on top of that. Pat that down. And we're going to turn it over. Then you're going to take your chicken and you are going to put it in this yogurt and sour cream mixture. Now, I do need to say, you probably do not have to use the whole container of yogurt and sour cream because you're going to have some left over, and now that this raw chicken's been in it, there's nothing else you can do with it. But I'm always scared I'm not going to have enough, so I always just do the whole thing. I probably could waste less, but again, I'm always scared I'm not going to have enough, so I always just do it all. Okay, so we've got our chicken. We're just going to make sure it's coated in these crumbs on both sides. Smash it in there, and then we're going to put it in this pan. And we're just going to repeat the process. And you could also even put these on a baking sheet. But sometimes it kind of spreads and gets everywhere. Anyway, I just like to do it like this. Okay, so now we're going to pop these into a 375-degree oven for, I'll let you know when we come back. Okay, y'all look at this chicken, this cornflake chicken. It looks delicious. Let's try this chicken. It's so good. You get a little crunch from the cornflakes, but it's so seasoned, and it's not dry like a lot of times. I'll overcook my chicken. This cooked for about 30 minutes or so at 375. So we got this chicken, we got our cabbage, and then fresh purple whole peas with some of my chili sauce. Delicious. All right, y'all, give it a try. Let me know if you try it. We'll see y'all tomorrow.